Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about the chained exception. This feature allows us to relate one exception with another exception. Okay, that is, one exception describes the cause of another exception. For example, a situation in which a method throws an arithmetic exception. Okay, because of an attempt to divide by 0. But the actual cause of exception was an input-output error, which caused the divisor to be 0. Okay. The method will throw only arithmetic exception to the caller. So, the caller would not come to know about the actual cause of exception. Okay. Chained exception is used in such type of situations. So, this is the usage of chained exception. Here we have to use two inbuilt methods, getCause method and initCause method. What is the role of the getCause? This method returns the actual cause associated with the current exception. And what is the role of the initCause? This method set an underlying cause, that is the exception, with invoking exception. I hope you all understood about the chained exception. Let's see this example. Here I have created this package and inbuilt exception class IOException. This is inside the java.io package. Okay, here I have used the import keyword to import this exception class in my program. Okay, so this is my class name chainExcept, and here I have created the user defined method divide. Here I have used the static keyword, so there is no need to use the object of this class to call this method. We have already discussed. Here we have two arguments, A and B. Both are integer. Okay. Inside this divide, I have used the decision making statement. If when the value of B is equal to 0, the control comes inside this block. Here I have created the object for this arithmetic exception class. This is the inbuilt exception class. Okay, and here I have passed the exception. Whatever we want, we can pass. Okay, here I have given exception inside the round brackets. Okay, and I have used the initCause. So what is the role of initCause? Set an underlying cause with invoking exception. Okay, this is the role of the initCause. This belongs to this inbuilt class. That's why we have used this object to call this method. Okay, and a new keyword I have used, and this is the inbuilt exception class. Okay, inside the round brackets we have to pass these things. New keyword and the inbuilt exception class, that is IOException, I have used here, and inside the round brackets whatever we want we can pass. Okay, so this is the custom error message. Initial cause, our input B is 0. Okay, due to this input B only we will get the arithmetic exception. That's why I have given this custom message here. And here we have used the throw keyword. So what will happen? The throw keyword throws the exception from the 11th statement to the catch block. Am I correct? Okay, and if the B value is not equal to 0 means the else block will be executed. Here I have created the main method. Execution starts only from the main. Okay, and inside the main I have implemented the exception handling using the try and catch block. This is our call statement. After encounter this line, the control search where the function definition part for this call statement and carries the values 5 and 0. Jumps from the 22nd line to the definition part, 5th line. Okay. Here this 5 will be stored inside the A and 0 will be stored inside the B. So, after the evaluation of this expression, we will get true. So, all the statements which are belongs to this if block will be executed. Okay, and here the initCause method is present. Here I have used the throw keyword, and this is the object of the arithmetic exception. So, the control jumps from the 11th line to the 24th line. Here we have the exception handler and the variable. Okay, and I try to print the AE, that is, this value will be printed on our console. And here I have used the getCause method. What is the usage of this method? This method returns the actual cause associated with the current exception. Okay, so what is the result for this statement? This one, initial cause, our input B is 0. I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. Let me execute this one. So here I have given B value as 0. So what happens? AE, that is the custom message, is printed because of this statement, and due to this getCause method I got this message, initial cause, our input B is 0. Okay, now I change the B value 0 to 2. Okay, first I have to save and let me execute the same again. Now we got the result. Here else block only will be executed because the value of B is non-zero. So A divided by B gives 2. 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 2 is the result. There is no error. So we got the result. Okay. If we give the B value as 0 means only this if block will be executed. I hope you all understood about the initCause inbuilt method and getCause inbuilt method. And this process is called the chained exception. I repeat it again. This allows us to relate one exception with another exception. Okay. That is, one exception describes the cause of another exception. Okay. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.